All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. 365% back on your initial investment. Drip Network, 1% a day. Cryptocurrency projects, passive income, all kinds of things that people like to make money with. All right, today we're going to be talking about Polygon Matic. Yep, this price is down right this second. We're going to go to their Twitter account, go to their website, check it out. Also, after partnering up with Polygon, this coin and Polygon are doing a new project. Can they make some progress? This coin and Polygon, we're going to go over that. And also, Iranian and also Ukraine has canceled the airdrops for right now. So they have canceled airdrops. They've been getting all kinds of deposits from cryptocurrency, 42 million. But they have canceled airdrops. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Polygon. All right, Polygon is right here at number 16 on CoinMarketCap. It's in the top 20. It's down about 4% in the last 7 days. It's down about 3.5% in the last 24 hours. The Matic, it says buy. So let's go ahead and click it. Checking out over here, it's worth $1.48 right this second. The coin is down $3.08. Let's go ahead and check it out, what it's been doing the last 24 hours. So it was as high as, well, how high was this? $1.52, and it got as low as $1.45. Right now the coin's at $1.48, and again it's down about 3.8%, almost 4% down in the last 7 days. Checking the holders, haven't done this in a while. Let's see how many holders there are of the Matic Polygon. All right, 90 days ago there was 304,000. Today there's 387,000, so 85,000 more. 85. So we're looking at about, quite a third, so about, 27%. So 27%, 25% more people owning the Matic Polygon. Over here at their Twitter account, Polygon Matic, Polygon offers a wide range of secure, fast, and affordable, energy-efficient Ethereum scaling solutions for Web3 developers. Save the date next Tuesday, session 2 of the ZK Hack mini workshops, introducing a presentation of PIL identity language. So they got the ZK Hacks, the minis going on. Get your tickets, the ZK Hack Mini. Number 2 taking place, 3/8. Attention node operators, following the main net launch, DOA is looking to onboard its initial no sets. Application will accept on March 1st through the 21st. So all kinds of good stuff going on over here at Polygon, bringing it to the website. Polygon is bringing the world to Ethereum. Polygon, take a look at everything moving around there. Pretty cool there, huh? Polygon believes in Web3 for all. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. The low transaction fees is a very, very powerful thing. Take a look at the Ethereum, and there's the Polygon going around and around. So you got to feel good about the Polygon and the Matic. Built by developers for developers, Polygon combines the best Ethereum blockchain into the full-fledged multi-chain system. It's able to fully benefit from the Ethereum network effects. It's inherently more secure, and it's more open and powerful. Get started today. There's over 7,000 dApps on the Polygon to scale their performance. Employ all the dApps. We may come back and click this, but they got all kinds of things. There's 7,000 different dApps on the Polygon. Scaling the solution. All kinds of stuff. Polygon POS. Polygon Avel, Polygon Edge, Polygon Zero, Polygon Nightfall. Polygon makes Ethereum accessible for all, ETH compatible right here. It's scalable. It's got security, developers experience. Now that's pretty important. Equivalent to Ethereum, no protocol level knowledge, requires no token deposits, fees, or permissions. Let's scale Ethereum together. Developers, resources, join the community, secure the network, join the ecosystem. Help us build future of Web3. Be part of the community with Polygon. All right, so you just got to feel good about Polygon. There's so much going on with it. Polygon, built on Ethereum, all kinds of good stuff going on. In the top 20, I think it's 14 or 15, sometimes 16. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's go ahead and head over to Ukraine canceling the airdrops. Breaking: Ukraine cancels the crypto airdrops thanks to warmongers. Ukraine stunned the globe with the announcements of the crypto airdrops. While the original airdrops was scheduled to occur today at 6 p.m., it appears that it has been taking place earlier than expected. Several noted that the tokens labeled Peaceful War, so that's actually kind of what they're naming the crypto airdrops, Peaceful War, was distributed by the Ukraine government. However, it is being speculated that these tokens could have been as a result. The vice prime minister of the country announced that there will be no more airdrops. But carefully considering, we have decided to cancel airdrops. Every day there are more and more people willing to help Ukraine to fight back the aggression. Instead, we will announce NFTs to support Ukraine's armed forces soon. We do not have any plans to issue any fungible tokens. The world is currently witnessing what is considered the Third World War. With Ukraine grappling with violence by Russia, scammers wanted nothing but to make money off the affected country. The similar attempts the scammers tried to spoof the Ukraine airdrops. Etherscam went on to mark to the address of the scam, and they were pretending to be Ukraine government. All the transactions reported managed by third party and are not Ukraine. Yeah, so some people are trying to steal their money. Well, no, don't do it. This is for a good cause and stuff. Marked Peaceful War. Furthermore, several in the community pointed out that there were still 6.5 hours for the snapshot. However, the ill-doers started airdropping wide before the scheduled time. The chances of individuals losing money were high, as they would trade the assets on the decentralized exchange and further engage a fraudulent smart contract that would increase the risk of having their wallets emptied. Airdrops scheduled by Ukraine created quite a buzz. A huge divide was caused in the community, as some believe that the country should just use the money instead of increasing crypto adoption via airdrops. Says right here, crypto scammers take advantage of Ukraine-Russian war. So what are your thoughts on that? They're canceling the airdrops. I mean, you gotta have to kind of cancel them if people are taking from you and stealing from you. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Take your finger out, smash that like button. That's right. It helps the algorithm to get more people out of this video so more people can learn about what's going on. All right, let's head back over to Polygon. Check out what's happening. All right, right over here, Watchers News. After partnering with Polygon, can this project native token secure itself? So what are we talking about here? So they did a little partnership. Oh, it's Filecoin. Filecoin and Polygon recently entered into a partnership to join promote developers in NFT games and the metaverse. Filecoin officially, on their blog on February 15th, brought the light the same. Both parties have developed tutorials, integrated grants, and hackathons to help developers of the NFT project parties. From Polygon integrate with IPFS and Filecoin. Why Filecoin durability and Polygon scalability in conjunction would open the doors for developers to come up with all kinds of good things to use for the case. It's not the first time that both of these projects are partnering. Back last year in August, we announced that Polygon would offer a free storage cost for projects looking to build on the File/Polygon bridge. They said projects also jointly organized the Mars Hackathon, where a host of developers came together to build new applications. Is Filecoin breakout moment finally here? Filecoin's performance on the price chart has been pretty micro-frame. The initial few months of the last year saw the coin rally, achieve new heights. Its local peak is at 238 in March, but its lousy downtrend journey right afterwards. So right here we got a partnership going on with Polygon and Filecoin. Do you think this is going to help these coins out? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. All right, again on the website, Polygon makes Ethereum accessible for all. Let's scale on Ethereum together. Help build the future of Web3 beyond the community. So up here at the top, you got all kinds of things. Look at the scaling solutions. You got like 7 things to choose from. Developers, the ecosystem. If I click the ecosystem, they talk about how there's 7,000 DApps. Choose your Polygon to scale. And it's right here listed all these different. All right, what's our price prediction over here? This token's down about 4%. It's being traded at $1.48. I'm thinking the token could get to $1.55 to $1.58. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. But with all this good stuff going on, there's probably going to be a little uptick in this Polygon. Also fantastic that Polygon's in the top 20 here. All right, Shiba Inu is right above it. Got over here, it's no longer crypto.com. Number 18 is now Cronus, rebranded. So Polygon again down about 4%. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can actually learn about Drip Network. My buddy link will be in the bottom. Get 1% a day for 365%. All kinds of good stuff. Polygon and Filecoin. What do you think of that? People taking, they're stopping the airdrops with Ukraine. People are trying to hack in there and actually get the money. Come on. I mean, this is for a good cause over there. Still got people trying to hack into things. Airdrops are canceled. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.